Hi everyone, it's Tita. It's really hot today. I thought, eating my own hair. I thought it was going to be nice and cool, but today is actually in the mid 80s. I thought I was going to escape the heat for once, but maybe next time. Today I have the DoD Moto Tent. It's my first time setting it up. It got a little gusty, so I'm going to quickly stake down this tent before it flies away. It's so hot. I didn't realize it was going to take me this long to set up the tent. I had to take a lot of breaks. The humidity is really, really high. My legs are on fire. I feel better. I'm going to quickly set up the inside of the tent before I pass out. Again. It's too hot to be near the tent, so I'm chilling over here in the shade. I had a nice rest. I'm going to go for a walk before dinner time. So for dinner, I'm going to have barbecue chicken and shish kebabs. I ripped my bag earlier. I'll use this up today. I have my veggies already pre-marinated, and they've been marinating for about 24 hours, so they'll taste really good. I washed my hands, and I'm gonna start poking these veggies. That's a lot of vegetables. Okay. I'm gonna use some of these pineapple, finish those off, and then save the rest of the fruit for tomorrow. So colorful. Don't fall, don't fall. I'm ready to eat these wings. Ooh, looks so good. It's good. Oh, the chicken is hot. Oh, it came out perfect. It's like sweet and juicy. I'm glad I left it on the grill longer. It's so good. It's just really hot. I didn't realize how hungry I was. It's like a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, which is my favorite. my toes are free. I had a nice day. Even though it was hot, the dinner was worth it. I'm gonna turn in for the night and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I slept really well in the Moto tent. It was really cozy. I think it went down to the 60s. It was so hot yesterday and I got sunburnt. I have to make sure I put sunscreen on. So I'm going to make a bagel with salmon for breakfast and I'll get started on that now. This bagel's really good. I got it at a local bakery. Shoo, 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 shoo. All my toppings just end up on the plate. Last bite. I finished my breakfast and now I'm going to pack out. I did it! Oh, I had to say goodbye here because it's so hot outside. I got sunburned. It's very humid still. My car says it's 89 degrees. Oh. I feel better. I'm gonna drink some water before I get on the road. My arms are about to fall off. I'm going home now. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.